Now let's discuss Mesolithic age. Meso means middle and lithic means stone. This age referred to the period between Paleolithic age and the Neolithic age. Okay, this is the period between Paleolithic age and the Neolithic age. The tools or implements of this period improved gradually. Okay, up now how they improve gradually? They started using horns and bones in addition to the stone tools. Okay, they started making their tools with the help of horns and bones. And he learned to fix small stones to stick and use them to hunt animals. Okay, now the tools of that time, they were sharp and made up of horns and bones. They were very sharp and they were made up of horns and bones. The men of Mesolithic age started making hunts. Okay, they started making huts with the help of branches of the tree. And he continued to eat variety of seeds like berries, roots, nuts and fish. Okay, gradually the man became the food producer and moved close to the water sources like river and lakes. In the previous period, man was the food gatherer and the food hunter. But now in this era, he started growing food. For growing food, he moved near river sources. Okay, the beginning of agriculture took place during this period when man learned to drop seed in the soil to grow plants. And in this period, he started taming the animals like cow, goat, sheep and pig. Okay, and the dog was the first animal which was tamed by them firstly. Okay, and which was the first animal which they tamed? The dog. Okay, dog was the first animal which they tamed. Okay, this is all about the Mesolithic age. Now what is the difference between Paleolithic age and the Mesolithic? Okay, now look at here. Paleolithic means, Paleo means referred to as old stone age and Mesolithic referred to as middle stone age. During this era hunting and gathering were to be seen. Means they are the food gatherer or the food hunter. And in this era, they start growing food. They become the food producer. Yeah. Or they domesticated the animals. Okay. People in this era, people hunt for food. They hunt for food. Matlab they move one place to another in search of food only. And in this era, people began agriculture. Okay, they went to the river sources. And the people of Paleolithic period used stone tool in the day-to-day life and also had ability to use fire. Okay, in this period they accidentally discovered the fire. Or in this period, what was the improvement? In this period, they used which type of tools? They used bones and horns tools in addition of stone tools. Okay, and they started making horns and bone tools and fix small stone to stick the and hunt the animals. Okay, this is the difference between Paleolithic and Mesolithic age.